Dear students of class 12, welcome to our online classes. I am Mahbubi Alam, Senior Lecturer, Department of ICT, Milestone College. After completing this class, you will learn what is key field, number 2, uses of key field in database and different types of key field. These three things you can understand properly after completing this class. Now look at the table. This is a table and its name is student. There are 5 different types of field in this table: role, name, group, section, GPA. This is a table and there are 5 different types of field. And at first I want to say what is key field. Key field is a such type of field which is used to identify a specific record in database. Again I say, key field is a such type of field which is used to identify specific record in database. Suppose I call Abul, but there are 2 Abul. Who will come to me? I want to see Abul and there are 2 names Abul. I want to see the whose GPA is 4, but you see there are 2 students whose GPA is 4. Who will come here? I want to a specific student to specify a tuples or row or record. I have to use key field. If I say roll 101, then only one student will come here, will come to me. Then I can identify specific students. To specify a students or to specify a record, key field is used. In database there are mainly 3 types of key field. In database there are mainly 3 types of key field. Primary key, number 2, composite key, and number 3, foreign key. There are mainly 3 types of key: primary key, composite key and foreign key. Without these 3 key field, there are also some key field, suppose super key, candidate key, minimal super key. There are different types of key field, but in our syllabus, intermediate syllabus, there are only 3 types of key field. Now I will discuss it one after another. At first, what is primary key? You can write in your copy. Primary key is a unique field which is used to identify a specific record from database. Primary key is a unique field which is used to identify record from database or specific record from database, and primary key never be duplicated. Primary key never be duplicated. This is the main characteristics of primary key. It never be duplicated. Look at the table. Here there are 4 fields. The name of the table is student table and it has role, name, GPA, section. Which field will be a primary key? At first I say primary key must be a unique field. Primary key never be duplicated. So I cannot use name because there are 2 names are same, Abul and Abul. You see 2 names are same. GPA also 2 GPA are same. Section also 3 section are same. So name, GPA, section never be a primary key. Primary key may be a role. Role may be a primary key, because 2 students never be same rule, but 2 students may have same name, may have same GPA, may have same section, but two students never be same role. For this reason, role here, role is a primary key. So what is primary key? Primary key is a unique field which is used to identify a specific record from database. This is a table or database. I want to a specific students. For this reason, I can use role. Here, role is a primary key, right? Primary key is role. Primary key. This is a primary key. Why role is a primary key? The answer is the role never be duplicated in a specific section or class, but others can be duplicated. The condition is primary key must be unique. So I think you can understand what is primary key and why we use primary key. Now, composite key. See, there is a table here. It's a database. Let it is a database and it has 4 fields. But there is no unique field here. I cannot identify a student by using any field from here, because you see role, there are same role in two times, same role, same class, same name, same GPA. So how can I identify a specific students? That means if there is no field to find out a specific students or specific row, then I will use composite key. What is composite key? If more than one field combined together make a key, then it is called composite key or composite primary key. If more than one field combined together make a key, then it is called composite primary key or composite key. I can make a key by using role and class. Here 101 class 11 and 101 class 12. So this is different students. If I create a key by using role and class field, then it will be a composite key. So what is composite key? If I create a key by using more than one field. If it is not possible to identify by using one field, then I can use more than one field. 2 field, 3 field, I use here 2 field, role and class. And I can use more than one field, that means 3 field, 4 field. As you wish, you can use more than one field to identify a specific students. This is the composite key. This is composite key. So I think you can understand it properly. Now I will go for foreign key. Look at the two table properly. There are 2 table here. In one database there may be 1 table, maybe 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, lots of table maybe exist here in relational database. The foreign key is if one table's primary key is used as a general field of another table, then this field is called foreign key with respect to first table. Again I say, this is a complex definition. If one table's primary key is used as a general field of another table, then this field is known as foreign key with respect to first table. This is a student table and here primary key is roll. This is a primary key. And here this is a primary key. You have to know that without primary key database is not possible. Table is possible, but to be a database it must have a primary key. It must. Without primary key database is not possible. In student table role is a primary key because role is a unique field and it's laid as a primary key, and these role are same exist in database, same role. And here registration nong is a primary key. In result table registration nong is a primary key, and for this reason this role field is known as foreign key with respect to student table. Here result table's role is foreign key with respect to student table. Try to understand. Again I say there are two tables here, one is student table, another is result table. In student table primary key is roll and result table primary key is registration norm. But this primary key is used as a general field of this table. For this reason here roll is a foreign key with respect to student table. This is foreign key. This is a foreign key. So to be a foreign key, it must have two tables or more tables, and there are only one primary key in all database, but foreign key may have more than one, 2, 3, 4, 5, more than one foreign key is possible. So this is a primary key and this primary key is used as a general field of this database, then this field is known as foreign key with respect to first table. So today we can understand what is key field and why you use key field in database and different types of key field in database. If there is some problem to understand this topic, try to contact your subject teacher to understand it properly. Thank you everybody.